It's 6:15 on Thursday, April 2nd, 2020, and this looks like my last video of the day. I'm going to make a juice. I'm going to use 4 carrots, there are 4 carrots here, and a piece of turmeric, and 2 pieces of ginger. And in here I have watermelon rind, honeydew rind, as well as pineapple skin. And in here I have cut up 2 celery stalks, and I have lemon and lime rind in there from my fruit salads earlier today, as well as yesterday evening. So I'm gonna juice this all up, and I'll tell you how it tastes like in a minute. Right, this is the juice. It's lovely orange color, although there are no oranges in it. There's just lemon peel, lime peel, honeydew melon rind, pineapple skin, and turmeric and ginger, and the 4 carrots. I've also added some black pepper, because, as you know, the piperine in the black pepper increases the absorption rate of the curcumin in the turmeric. I've had a little sip. It is a sweet and sour juice. The sweetness comes from the pineapple, as well as some sourness, and the honeydew, and the sourness, as well as slight bitterness from the lemon peel and lime skin and rind, and lemon skin and rind. I didn't think it would be necessary to put any Lea and Perrins or balsamic vinegar, because the sourness is sufficient, and I thought it would just spoil the sweetness of the honeydew. So I'm going to drink more now. Altogether we've made about 1.2 liters. I'm going to drink more now, and I'll give you my verdict a little later. Right, I've drunk 2 glasses, 800 ml, and there's left over in this glass about 400 ml, so altogether I was correct, 1.2 liters. So as I mentioned earlier, this is not terribly sweet juice. It's a spicy juice, actually. The dominant flavor is a slight bitterness from the either lime peel or lemon peel, but that is countered by the sweetness of the pineapple and honeydew. But that bitterness plays very well against the taste of the turmeric and ginger, which are the secondary taste profile elements. And then in the background, you don't taste it at all, is the black pepper. The sweetness is just enough to cut the, what do you call it, bitterness of the peel. Maybe I had too much lime peel. Maybe less next time would make it even more awesome juice. But the color's nice, it's very palatable. I mean, I can drink 800 ml in one go, so it's not too bad. I'm gonna keep this 400 for later because I'm quite full from having the fruit salad just about half an hour ago. So yeah, this is a nice juice. It's not the greatest, but it's an interesting juice. No tomatoes in here, just celery and carrots, which provide most of the juice. The rest are just leftover lemon peel, lime peel, as well as pineapple peel. So you know, if you're juicing, you can juice those stuff up and don't waste it, because otherwise you'd be throwing it away. Anyway, the pulp that comes out of the juicer, my Motif 1 juicer, I make into fertilizer. I just add some sugar and ragi, keep it in a 40-liter tong, and then after about 3 weeks it becomes liquid enzyme fertilizer for my plants in my nursery, in my foodscape.